Do you translate in your head before you speak? You think in your language, then translate word by word. It makes you slow, and it makes you nervous. Today, we stop doing that. I will teach you the secret of native speakers. It is called chunking, and it will change your English forever. What is a chunk? A chunk is a group of words that always go together. You don't think about grammar. You just remember the whole phrase. For example, do not learn the word depends. Learn the chunk, it depends on. Do not learn piece, learn a piece of cake. When you learn chunks, your brain doesn't need to build sentences. The sentence is already built. You just take it and say it. Let's practice together right now. I will give you 5 daily chunks. Listen to me and repeat out loud. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. I was wondering if. Use this to ask for a favor politely. Example. I was wondering if you could help me. Repeat after me. I was wondering if. Number 2. To make a long story short. Use this when you want to tell the end of a story quickly. Say it with me. To make a long story short. Number 3. I'm looking forward to fall. Use this when you are excited about the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the weekend. Your turn. Number 4. It has nothing to do with. Use this to say 2 things are not connected. It has nothing to do with you. Say it. Number 5. By the way. Use this to change the topic. By the way, how is your family? Repeat. By the way. Great job! From now on, when you watch a movie or read a book, do not write down single words. Write down chunks. Learn 3 chunks a day. In 1 month, you will have 90 ready-to-use phrases in your head. You won't need to translate anymore. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite English chunk? Write it down below. Subscribe for more simple English. See you soon!